Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Tonight I got a kind of a quick video for you guys. Tonight we're going to go over a company I did in the past. If you remember this review on my shirt, how it flares, I'll put a link in the description for this video. The company's name is Flare. They were nice enough to send me a couple of masks, with the whole COVID thing going on. And to me, these masks are a little bit different than the standard mask. You know how you got the one that just covers your face. They're real ugly, of course. Nobody likes to wear them. The ones they sent me are a little bit different. We'll get into that after the intro. Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for coming back to the channel. Hope you are enjoying that intro. Again, thank you guys for the constant support. Hit that 1,000 mark. I will be having a live stream sooner or later. I know I'm going to get me and Beardyvlogger, another YouTuber. If you do not know him, I'll link his channel in the description. We're going to get together and have a little live stream, giveaways, plus for my 1,000 personally. My goal that I hit, I'm gonna have a nice big box. It's gonna be kind of like the grand prize with a bunch of manly stuff in it. So make sure you watch out for that. But anyway, thank you for coming back to the channel. I appreciate it. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you stick around and check the video out, if you like it, hit that thumbs up button. My friends at Flare, if you're not familiar, they're a company that makes designs on shirts or whatever. They're actually the ones that designed this one. Get my beard out of the way. And like I said, I'll put the link to that review in the description. They were kind enough to send me out a couple more products that I want to share with you guys. The whole COVID thing, we got to wear those masks, and you have, dozens of companies out there creating custom ones. They got the beard capes. You got the bigger than the normal ones. Just all kind. I've seen dozens and dozens of designs, and they're all cool. They all have their distinct personal favorite. If that makes sense. My friends at Flare have sent me out a couple of masks to show you guys, and these things are pretty awesome. And if you're not familiar, the whole Flare, the design on the shirt, when a flash hits it, it pops. Like I was surprised when I first got this shirt. I held a light up to it, and if you just hold a light up to it, it'll kind of glow a little bit. But if you take a picture of it with a flash, the design just pops out at you. It's really awesome. They were kind enough to send me a couple of these guys. And I chose my design as a Spartan. And you guys are thinking, oh, it's just a Spartan design, no big deal. I'll show you what it does here in a second. And this is going to be their new gold color. They got gold and they got rainbow color, and I think they have a white. I'm not sure. And the material on the inside is it's almost feels like it's real soft material, and it's very comfortable on my face. I'll go ahead and throw it on real quick. And basically, me having a beard, it's obviously not going to cover the beard. Just throw it on like that. I got my camera right here, and what I'm going to do is take a snapshot. I don't know if it'll show up for the camera, but actually I might be able to get both my shirt and my mask in here. So I'll just hold this up like that. Let me see. All right, I'm gonna get them both in. I'm trying to use my screen as a cheater. All right, we'll go ahead and take that. And I'll show you the picture. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see how that pops out as well as my shirt. I think it's pretty awesome. If you think about it and you're wearing these at night or something, and you get a car, you're crossing the street or something, you get a car that's coming up on you. This essentially is a safety factor for you, you know, because get that flash of light that's gonna pop out. It's a small mask, yeah, but like if you got a shirt on or something, that's gonna pop out. But that's the gold one, pretty cool. And this one is their infamous rainbow one. That's pretty cool, and it doesn't show up real well on the camera, but I'll throw this one on too. Put it around my ears, grab my phone, and I'll do the same thing. I'll take a snapshot. Actually, I'll do my face first. Let's see. And as you can see, it's still got my shirt. And it's just, to me, I think they're really cool. It's different. You don't see too many designs like this, at least in my opinion. It's a really different thing. It's awesome. I think it's awesome. That's my personal opinion. You don't have to agree with me, but I'll leave their Instagram down below, as well as all their information to get to their website. I plan on personally buying a few hoodies, a couple more t-shirts. I'm in love with how it just pops when you hit that flash on it. I really like that. Design wise, you could pretty much send them anything, with some exceptions, and they'll be able to put it on a shirt, sweatshirt, pretty much anything. The possibilities are almost endless, I want to say. But I want to say thank you to Flair for sending these out for review. I appreciate it. Everything will be in the description below, guys. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Plenty more content coming. Thank you guys for the constant support. Until the next one, peace.